Somehow we have to get out of this, but the rounds keep coming. It's a professional ambush.
Ow.
The bullets just don't miss.
Whoa! Where can we go? Shall I crawl? Can we crawl down the embankment?
Andre! Whoa! Whoa! No! Stop! 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 Journalist! Journalist!
I'm hit, but escape the car, and with producer Dominic van Heerden, we make our way down the embankment.
Where are...
Camera operator Richie Mockler has taken 2 rounds to his body armour, but is still stuck in the car.
Where are they? Where are you guys? Guys!
Come on!
Where are you?
Down here!
He runs for it in a hail of bullets.
Okay, guys.
Stuart, go on, Stuart, I'm running.
The 5 of us have made it out of the car, down the embankment, and we just can't believe we're alive.
Okay, guys, well done, everyone.
I think I'm hit.
Okay, yeah.
Where?
Shoot. I can't. I definitely took something in the back of my plate.
Yeah, he is his.
Okay,
Give you a mid-person.
it's in the car. Let's get out of here. Stuart, can you keep going?
We are so caught what we're going to do now. We have to try and get into some cover, but it's really, really dangerous here. And hoping to see if we can get out. I've certainly been hit with something, but...
We need to get back up to those cops. Stuart, you're bleeding from the head as well.
All right, Stuart.
Before these guys follow up, we need to get out.
Okay, let's go.
We run into a warehouse unit looking for cover.
Go.
Yeah.
3 caretakers beckon us inside.
Yeah.
Спасибо.
We know any rescue will take hours.
And they need
We're
to come and
stuck,
get us.
fighting outside. We've no idea what's going on. After a mammoth logistical effort, we were rescued by the local police.
The civilians are getting out over what's left of a bridge that was blown to slow down the Russians if they take Irpín. Civilians are supposed to be protected by the laws of war. Russian shells were very close.
Good luck, huh?
Stopping was not an option. I'm okay, she said. Keep going. A disabled man couldn't make it up the steep riverbank on his own.
There's a fair amount of incoming fire coming into this now. Artillery fire. There are loads of civilians around. Families coming out. There's a lady there with her dog following on. This is the edge of the town that the Russians have got to.
Civilians were in the firing line, but the Russians might have been trying to knock out nearby active Ukrainian artillery. Casualties and evacuees were taken to an assembly point in a suburb about a mile away. They were still in range of Russian guns, but for now, relatively safe.